Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about music production or audio editing, you're in for a treat today. We'll be exploring some of the best audio studio apps for Android that can turn your device into a powerful music-making tool. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these apps offer features that will help you create, edit, and mix audio with ease. Let's jump right in and discover the perfect audio studio app for your needs. Aubade Audio Studio. Aubade Audio Studio is a powerful and versatile audio editing app designed for both beginners and professional users. It allows you to create, edit, and mix audio tracks with ease. The app features a multi-track interface that supports various audio formats, enabling you to work on multiple layers of sound. Users can access an array of tools, including looping, trimming, and effects like reverb and equalization. The app also includes options for recording your audio directly, making it great for musicians and podcasters. With its intuitive design and comprehensive features, Aubade Audio Studio is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into audio production on their Android device. N-Track Audio Studio. N-Track Audio Studio is a full-fledged digital audio workstation, DAW, designed for mobile devices. This app provides an impressive set of features for recording and editing audio, including multi-track recording, MIDI support, and a variety of built-in effects. Users can create professional quality music by combining virtual instruments, loops, and recorded audio. The app also allows for real-time effects processing, making it easy to hear changes as you work. N-Track Audio Studio is known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility, making it suitable for both novice musicians and experienced sound engineers looking for a portable solution. Audiosdroid Audio Studio. Audiosdroid Audio Studio is a unique audio editing app that stands out with its intuitive interface and robust features. This app combines recording, editing, and mixing capabilities, allowing users to work with multiple audio files seamlessly. It includes a range of editing tools such as trimming, merging, and applying effects like echoes and pitch adjustments. Users can also compose music using a built-in MIDI sequencer and a variety of sound samples. Audiosdroid is particularly appealing to those who are looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use app for quick audio projects without the complexity of traditional audio software. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best audio studio apps gives you the inspiration and tools needed to take your audio projects to the next level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and app recommendations. Which app are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.